Inilunsad ng Clark International Airport Corporation o CIAC ang Urban Renewal and Heritage Conservation Program na isang revolutionary initiative. Kasama sa mga programang kanilang inumpisahan ang pagpapaganda ng open spaces kagaya ng paglalagay ng mural designs. Formal na ipinakita ito sa publiko sa isinagawang kick-off ceremony nito lamang araw ng Martes, July 9 sa Claro M. Recto Highway Corner Manuel L. Quezon Avenue. Ayon sa Presidente and CEO ng CIAC na si Aray Perez, ang mural ang nagsisilbing buhay sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Clark Freeport Zone.
10 days ago, this area was nothing but overgrown grass and weeds. And yet, it took only 10 days for this shadowy corner of our beloved Civil Aviation Complex to suddenly come to life. For this familiar intersection to suddenly become not just a common crossroad. See, it's very noisy. It's a crossroad. But the X that marks a great new spot, a new tagpuan and landmark for our community to be, in a word, renewed.
Ang mural na ito ay isang simbolo umano ng tagumpay at pag-angat ng Clark Freeport.
It is a testament to our resolve, our values, and our ethos. Tagpuan, which our future national artist calls, is a demonstration of what we can do for Clark. It is a demonstration of what we can do for Clark. Energize it from the ashes of past trials. Revitalize it from a history of struggle. Transform it beyond what anyone imagined it can become. I am grateful to Archie Oclos and his team for the heart and sincerity that went into this work, for listening to our story, Archie, and telling it so well in this work.
Para naman sa artist si Archie Oclos, malaking hamon na paggawa ng ganitong kalaking mural, lalo na at magiging simbolo ito ng Clark Civil Aviation Complex.
Ano po talaga, very humbling din yung experience na mapili din na artist na makapagpinta sa Clark International Airport. Sa totoo lang po talaga ngayon, medyo sabaw pa ako kasi halos kakatapos ko lang rin po nung pagpinta. Kasi nga, for the last 10 days, dire-diretso po yung paggawa. And then, sabi ko nga, nung nakita ko yung wall, parang hindi ata ito kaya kasi sobrang haba talaga po. It's a 200 meters na haba ng wall. Yung taas niya like 10 feet. So, tapos in 10 days kaya matapos.
Tinawag naman itong tagpuan dahil bukod sa nakikitang dalawang pader ay magsisilbi din itong pasyalan ng lahat pati na ng mga turista.
Parang yung wall kasi para siyang nagmi-meet, meeting place din eh. So sa practice ko na sa street art na as much as possible maging site specific yung mga mural. So the wall itself has a story na agad na parang pwede siya mag-meet. Then nakita ko yung story and concept din ng Aviation, which is the airport, nandito yung lugar, and at the same time, in Pampanga.
Hindi naman muna dito nagtatapos ang Urban Renewal and Heritage Conservation Program ng CIAC, kaya't marami pang aabangan ng mga programa na lalo magpapatingkad sa Clark Freeport Zone.
We make magic. In kicking off our Urban Renewal and Cultural Heritage Program, I hope that you all see what I see. That this mural is made of what we are made of. vision, passion, and grit. That is all it takes to transform a place and build a city. So let's get used to this. Magsasawa kayo sa amin. Let's continue to make magic. Believe, CIAC, we can do it. Thank you.
JM De Jesus, CLTV 36 News.